you could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no war.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, I am bringing you along as we redecorate our laundry room. Now, if you've been here watching my channel for a while, you know that my style has changed in the last year or so. I used to love the farmhouse style, and now I'm going away from that. So in our laundry room, we had a lot of wording. So all of our signs in there said laundry room. So I took all of those down. I'm adding more modern pieces in there. And we are also going to be painting the wall that we have. So I'm excited to bring you guys along with us to transform our laundry room into a more modern, minimal space. I hope that you guys are excited for this video. If you are not already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel down below and follow me over on Instagram if you are not already. The link is in the description box down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. I wanted to start this video off by sharing with you what our laundry room area looks like before we start this makeover. Now, if you guys have not been following me for a while, then you probably wouldn't know how much my style has changed in the past year. We did this project over a year ago, so that is why I want to update some things. I really wanted to take down all of the wording that we had in our laundry room. That is something that I am not a fan of anymore. It was definitely my previous style, but it is not anymore. So you will see as we go through this makeover how I get rid of a lot of that, and also how I reuse a lot of the things that did have wording on it to make it more my new style.
Help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a.
I swapped this out with a nice framed art piece that I found from Hobby Lobby. I got this at 50% off and it was a really affordable price. And then I am taking this vase that I got from Target a couple years ago and I'm adding that to the left side. Now this shelf my husband did make all by himself. If you guys would like a more in-depth video on that, let me know in the comments down below.
Dreaming of you, dreaming of you. Dreaming of you, dreaming of you, dreaming of you.
I absolutely loved these containers that we keep our Tide Pods in, so I wanted to try to reuse them. So I just took some acetone with a cotton ball, and this worked like a charm. As you can see, it removed all of the wording, and I can still use these without having to go out and buy something different.
Want there be no wars?
For the lids to our clear jars, I'm going to be using some Rub and Buff and then going over that with some gold spray paint. I'm also going to be spray painting some of the vases that we previously had again so that I don't have to go out and buy anything more than I have to. It's really great to reuse a lot of the things that you already have.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go.
For this space, I did also find these two framed art pieces at Hobby Lobby, again for 50% off.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving.
So as you can see, these bins look so much better in my opinion without all the wording on them. Definitely a more minimal look. And I wanted to share with you this container that I found from HomeGoods for our dryer sheets. I really like to have some type of container to store our dryer sheets right on this shelf so that it's easy access when doing the laundry. This vase is from Hobby Lobby and the stand is from Target. I got the vase for a really great deal because there was a chip on it, so I believe it was like 80% off. And I am also going to do the same trick that I did with those containers to our lint holder we got from Amazon. I didn't want it to have any wording, and again, this did the trick.
I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you.
This framed art in the middle is also from Hobby Lobby. I will try to link as much as I can in the description box down below for you guys. As you can see, the gold accents really tie in together. The top to the dryer sheets container that I have ties in really well with our other containers and our vases on the second shelf.
'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you.
Now moving on to painting our board and batten. The original color we had on here was Pesto Green by Behr, and we are taking Pewter Green by Sherwin. This is the same color we used in our half bath renovation that I recently just posted. I was definitely a little scared when we first started painting because it really didn't look green to us at first, but it ended up turning out okay and I really like it. It definitely adds some more contrast in this space. There is so much white and this room is pretty large that I felt like it needed a darker accent wall. So overall, I'm very happy with it and I think it looks great with our current wallpaper.
I need it, don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too.
Some people have written books, some have a great look that covers the magazines for kids who are 17. But I don't know what to do, staring into the blue sky and just waiting for a sign. Some, they are certain of what awaits them when it all ends. But I don't know what will happen to me. Will I be remembered in a century? Like dust in the wind.
After we are finished painting, that is going to complete this laundry room makeover. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I can't wait to hear what you think of it in the comments down below. Now, I did this makeover for under $100. As you saw, we reused a lot of what we already had and just spray painted or removed some of the wording off of some of the containers. It's one of my favorite things to do when making over a space. If I can spend hardly any money, that is my favorite type of makeover. I really think that the things we did do in here made a huge difference. I want to thank you guys so much for being here and watching today's video. If you are not already, please make sure to subscribe and follow me over on Instagram. The link is always in the description box down below. I will also try to link as much as I can in the description box, so make sure to check down there, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Like dust in the wind, or the talk of the town that we are living in. Well, I don't know. No, I don't know. How could I know what lies ahead of me? Am I part of a